Hello, my name is Mindy. Today I just wanted to talk a little bit about euthanasia or assisted suicide. Nobody wants to be told how to live their life or how they should live their life. Matter of fact, nobody even wants to be told how they should end their life when it does come to that time. What is euthanasia? Euthanasia is defined as putting a living being to death humanely. But my question is, if it's humane, then why isn't it legal? What does it do? It's an easy way out for people who are terminally ill or physically unable to care for themselves. Who does it apply to? It applies to people who are in vegetative state, paralyzed, mentally ill, or a chronic illness that cannot be cured. What are some of the benefits to euthanasia? It cancels out the need to suffer, puts an end to pain, and also medical bills as well that family members have to take care of once you do pass away. Also, it narrows down the dependency upon family members and other loved ones that have to take care of you and putting their lives on hold. What if the patient is not coherent? There are two options to this. A patient will be given assigned a court hearing where a judge will determine if the illness is bad enough to where the patient is deemed to die or to be euthanized. Another option would be for 3 signatures, either of the children of the patient or also immediate family members or people who are deemed coherent enough to make that decision. Who does it affect? It may affect the family members or also the physician who has to euthanize the patient. It's very stressful to have to make a decision for when someone's life is to come to an end. An example to think of when thinking about euthanasia is cats or dogs. Whenever they go to an animal clinic or a veterinary, they have to be put to sleep or euthanized if they're in pain and suffering. This is the exact same situation. The doctors should be comfortable enough with euthanization to where it doesn't have an effect on them mentally. They should be given that choice whether they want to be able to perform them or not. Jack Kevorkian was an American pathologist and also a euthanasia proponent. He assisted approximately 130 people with suicide by setting up euthanasia. He also believed that prisoners who were condemned to death row should have the option of euthanasia as well. How is it done? There are a few different ways to administer the euthanasia process. One of them is dehydrating, injection, withdrawing treatment, helium, carbon monoxide, as well as a peaceful pill that the patient swallows. Now let's think about it. Put it in your perspective. If you were crippled, paralyzed, had cancer, dying of cancer, or in a vegetative state, or just waiting to die, period, how would you feel if a person told you you did not have the option to be euthanized or to end your life if that was the choice that you wanted to make? Would you rather live on pain pills and be waiting to die, or would you rather have the option to end your life when you felt it was necessary? Thank you.